second generation dealer here in Paulson Motors in Monkstown Farm. My father Paul has been in the motor trade for over 40 years and I've been alongside the last 15. We carry a stock of over 30 cars and we've been dealing with DoneDeal the last 10 years. They've helped grow our business immensely. We offer a unique delivery and warranty system where we deliver to you anywhere in the country, and our warranties are done by ourselves. No hassle, very easy to deal with. You can get your car fixed in your local dealership, hassle free. Check us out on Instagram, DoneDeal, or our website. Thanks very much. So here first we have a 2011 Audi A7 S-Line, 170 kilometers at 15,950. Really handsome car, 3 litre diesel. We have a 2013 HSC Land Rover Discovery that has full option, full spec, low mileage with time belts and everything just done. That's a really nice car. That's crew cab, the 333 road tax. This 14 is a more basic spec, again at 333. It's crew cab, DOE, taxed, and comes with 6 months warranty. A unique car we have here is a Toyota Prius Alpha 7-seater. Really hard to get. Handsome looking car in the blue. 141. NCT'd for 2 years, taxed for 1 year, and warranted for 1 year also. Over here we have a perfect little starter car for someone, a 2012 tiny mileage Fiat 500. White in colour, white interior with red seats. 39,000 miles. NCT'd for a year, taxed for a year. Low mileage, as I say. Convertible. These are really nice. An E250 AMG Mercedes convertible, as I say, full black leather. This car comes NCT for a year, taxed for the year, and again warranted for 6 months. And then the creme de la creme is this Bentley Continental convertible. This, as far as I know, is one of one at the moment for sale in Ireland. 44,950, 73,000 kilometers, tiny mileage with a huge service history. Really handsome car, finished in all the right colours. That colour combo is just smashing in that car. That car is NCT'd for a year and is taxed for the year also. So nothing to do, 3 keys, 1 owner.